Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I did something a while ago, long way from here. Here, it's Commodore 128, and it's pretty filthy, and I knew it would be. Anyway, there was a fellow down Ottawa way who was selling such things. Oh, I might run into trouble here. Because on the 128, oh, look at that. I may not. Sorry, I thought this had Torx things. And it seems it doesn't. So maybe I'm okay. Maybe I'm okay. But anyway, there are some broken keys. It's dirty. It's ugly. It's had a rough life, this machine. Now we have to see what lurks inside. That is what we need to do. That's like the screws are even kind of corroded. Not rusty. Corroded. I don't know if you can see the head of that. It's corroded. Now there's another, it seems. Maybe there's not. I can't tell. But usually there's a bit of a trick to getting into these. Yeah, this whole thing is pretty filthy. Pretty filthy. Somewhere along here, along the side, there's a thing. There we go. Just a little pry with a screwdriver. Just around the upper part here. Probably things will start to come off. But maybe not, because maybe there actually is a screw in there, which would make it difficult. I mean, it's funny, I couldn't feel it before. Usually you put a Phillips in and you kind of feel around. And you feel things happening. Or you feel it kind of catching. Okay, I think I heard a screw fall out. I did. Okay. So now, is there more? Oh. Yeah, there are. Okay. When in doubt, check for more screws. Oh! No! What? I must find the screw. Okay, there's that. Before it has a chance to really get away. Get the grabber. All right. So we have this filthy 128. It has 4 broken keys. Oh my, some that are stuck that shouldn't be stuck. Some that are stuck that should be stuck. Okay, so this should now come off. Well, sort of. Oh yes. It's been a while. So there's another screw. There's like a grounding cable thing here, right inside the corner. And that should come off some. And there's the power. And then there's the keyboard connector. Whoa. Hello. Oh, bird. Okay. That was kind of tough. So yeah, here is very dirty. Very dirty. 128. And here is the back of the keyboard. It is also quite dusty, dirty, you know. Things happen. They do. So set this down over here. Ugh. Much stuff. So as you see here, there's a lot of dust and dirt and stuff in here. There is. I'm going to put the screws over here. See about undoing the shielding. Because really, until we can see what's really going on underneath the shielding, we don't know what's going on. We really don't know. Dust and filth. But that is part of what's what. This is a bigger circuit board, kind of almost similar in size to that of an Amiga 500. So, it takes more screws. I wonder what else we're going to find in here. That's a lot of screws. Do I have them all? Oh, maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Oh. Right. It is not as simple as all that. I don't think I can wiggle this off. Oh dear, 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 dear. There are down in the front here, right down in here, there are little things that need to be twisted off. And I don't see a way to pull this off gracefully without doing that. So, I must find, I think, some pliers. And I know I don't know where they are. So, stand by. Well, we'll see you next time. We'll get this off. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.